Data integrity is very important to regulated life science businesses. We're all very responsible for making sure that data is protected, it's accurate, it's not deleted, and there are a lot of things that can go wrong. The risk is that you can end up with one of these 483 warning letters, and the category of data integrity or lack of data integrity is a growing category within the FDA 483 warning letter world. This chart I put up here is kind of hard to read, so I think I'll just explain it to you. The top chart's probably the most significant one. It speaks to the increasing quantity of 483 warning letters that are related to data integrity. But at the end of the day, as you try, whether you're upgrading a facility or you got a new facility going in, you need to look at these systems that the automation providers are pitching to you to make sure that they're going to meet those data integrity requirements. And ALCOA is a really great way to put a litmus test on that whole exercise. So let me just get into the acronyms and give you just a brief understanding of what they are. The first A in ALCOA is for attributable, and we spoke a little bit earlier about this. This is highly important because when you have people sharing passwords, you really don't have a good understanding of how things have changed in the system over time. The other thing that we're seeing in the marketplace quite a bit that has an impact on data integrity is the need for cybersecurity. In particular, look for automation manufacturers that are adhering to Achilles certification. Pharma 4.0 is another one of those buzzwords that are floating around the industry. It means a lot of things to a lot of different things to a lot of people. The cloud is here, without a doubt. My business is doing things in the cloud. I've got competitors doing data integrity plans for people in the cloud. And it's funny, it's 2 years ago, you couldn't have a conversation with a major pharmaceutical manufacturer without an insistence that all their data be locked up on their server. Now those same people now are talking to you and wondering when you're going to have a product that'll let them put their things in the cloud.